Welcome back! Now that you've created your first task, let's take a deeper look into ClickUp's powerful task management capabilities so you could take full advantage of these features. Back to my bud Eric to walk you through it.
Starting within a task, navigate to the top center and click the ellipses to reveal the task settings. At the top of the menu, you'll see icons and actions that you can take. Let's cover each option now. You can make any task a subtask by clicking the Convert to Subtask option. Search for the parent task name and click on it. Converting to a subtask will place the current task within the selected parent task, and it will inherit all privacy and sharing settings of the parent task. Subtasks add an additional layer to your structure, allowing you to define more detailed goals inside of your tasks. Next up is dependencies. Dependencies are connection relationships between tasks. With task dependencies, you can easily see which tasks are blocking and waiting on others. This ensures tasks are done in the correct order and helps you anticipate roadblocks that could delay your project. You also have the option to add dependencies to existing tasks with the Dependencies button. Here's a pro tip. Dependencies are very useful for waterfall projects and will display in the Gantt view. Also, overdue tasks with dependencies may be displayed as blockers in the list view. If you ever find that a task isn't quite fitting in your hierarchy structure as you planned, it's easy to move it from one place to another. Simply click on Move and locate the list you want to move it to within your hierarchy. Okay, next up is merging a task. The ability to merge tasks together comes in handy when you're dealing with two tasks that are so similar they'd be considered unnecessary, or if you have two thoughts that you later find are more related than anticipated. Our Merge Tasks feature solves this issue perfectly by combining the task's subtasks, descriptions, and other important information. Good news! We've built an even better way to keep your priorities focused, called Lineup. This is just the start of a new way to focus on what matters. Lineup is a Click app that shows a prioritized order of tasks for each person. Did you know that you can mark a task as a milestone? Milestones is a Click app that is used in project management to easily turn tasks into progress markers, such as a new feature being released. Quickly identify which tasks are milestones by the icon and bolded task name. This is especially useful in Gantt view. The last option here is to add to favorites. Favorites make it easy for you to navigate ClickUp. Think of favorites like bookmarking a task. You can add this task to favorites, and it will be available for you to quickly reference and work on right away from the left-hand navigation. Now let's focus our attention on the icons across the top, starting with the task URL. Clicking the icon will copy the task's unique URL for you to reference. This is an internal link and helpful for linking tasks to your team or connecting task relationships. Up next, task IDs. ClickUp tasks have unique short identifiers. Sometimes identifying tasks can be tricky, especially if tasks have similar names. For this reason, all ClickUp tasks have a unique task ID, making them easily identifiable for your whole team. To get the task ID you're working on, simply click the number icon and copy it. Next is email. If you still use email, you'll love that you or anyone with this task's email address can easily add comments by sending emails to ClickUp tasks. Email isn't dead yet. To attach emails to your task, simply click the email icon and copy the email address. This address will allow you to send or forward an email as a comment directly into your task. Now let's check out how to archive a task. Are you done with a task but want to access tasks and files later? Archiving a task removes it from view, but it does not delete it. You can still search for archive tasks and view them at any time. The last option is the delete icon. Sometimes you may need to delete tasks, especially if they were created in error. It's always good to be careful before deleting in ClickUp. Deleted tasks are stored in your trash can for 30 days. You can find and restore your deleted tasks by clicking on your avatar in the bottom left of the screen, selecting Trash, and choosing Restore on the task. Your Workspace admin also has the ability to restore any items in the trash. Let's check back in with Paul.
As you've seen, managing your tasks is simple and easy. As you become more familiar with tasks, you'll move easily through them and their functionality.